Hi everyone. So in today's video I am going to show you an impression of the hotel where I'm staying at this moment. So the name of the hotel is the Esencia de La Palma here in La Palma. Esencia de La Palma is a hotel that is located in let me look at my bracelet because the name is actually very difficult. La Palma Teneguia Princess is a princess hotel. So this Esencia de La Palma hotel is an adult only hotel located in La Palma Teneguia Princess Hotel. And in this area where I'm staying, it's only for adults, and it is a very quiet, relaxing area where you can like chill and just like to be a little bit zen. So in this video I'm going to show you the area of the Esencia de La Palma hotel, but I'm also going to show you the La Palma Teneguia Princess part hotel, actually the whole hotel, so that you can see how it is here.